Zombie apocalypse.
10 majestic birds you wish you could hold in your hands. There are more than 10,000 bird species on Earth, from those that are large like an ostrich to those that are as tiny as a bee hummingbird. All feathered creatures are charming in their own way, but the special coloring, plumage, or spectacular mating rituals make some birds so unique you won't believe they're not made up. That's why we made a list of some of the most impressive bird species that roam over our lands and waters. Let's have a look. Number 1. The Mandarin duck. The Mandarin duck has a deep-seated meaning in East Asian cultures. These birds are admired and appreciated significantly due to their marital loyalty and compassion. Number 2. The lilac-breasted roller. The colorful lilac-breasted roller is the unofficial national bird of Kenya. The lilacs are surprisingly brave. They can reside and adapt to different environments, and even survive well after natural disasters. During a bushfire, they have no fear of hunting near the edges of the fire. Number 3. The Gouldian finch. The Gouldian is one of Australia's most colorful birds and the only grass finch that nests in tree hollows or holes made in termite mounds. It is a pretty silent bird that only makes a whistling sound from time to time. Number 4. The Indian roller. Best known for their charismatic aerobatic performances, the males of this species put on a show during their breeding season. The Indian roller has been chosen as the state bird by several states in India. Its favorite food consists of frogs, lizards, crickets, and moths. Number 5. The Andean cock of the rock. The radiant orange bird has a tendency to build its nests on rocks, hence the name cock of the rock. It is the national bird of Peru and one of the most popular birds of the Andes Mountains. Its striking features make it attractive to predators, like jaguars and pumas. Number 6. The turquoise-browed motmot. Found in Guatemala, turquoise-browed motmots don't build ordinary nests in trees. They dig burrows in the ground. A fun fact about these birds is how they enjoy just standing and moving. Number 7. The Eurasian hoopoe. Eurasian hoopoes have some of the most stunning black and white wings. The birds have a special courtship practice that revolves around food. This happens when the male hoopoe offers insects to the female for her to eat them. Number 8. The northern cardinal. The northern cardinal is a tiny delicate bird that is the size of a teacup and lives for around 15 years. Only the males have the brilliant red feathers, for which their species is known. The color is very important because it makes males more noticeable to females, so it leads to successful mating. Number 9. The secretary bird. The bird got its name in the 1800s from Europeans, because back then male secretaries wore gray-tailed coats, knee-length pants, and they carried goose quill pens behind their ears, and the long-legged bird shared many of those features. The secretary bird is mostly found in Africa and has the longest legs of any bird of prey. Number 10. The bee-eater bird. These birds are known to fearlessly remove bees and other insects from the air. Using their curved beaks, they strike the victim head, rub it on a surface to remove the toxins, and eat it. Have you ever captured any fascinating photos of the above birds or any of your favorites? If so, please share them with us. If you enjoyed our video, please do share with your friends and colleagues on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp.